Hello everyone, welcome back to Technith. This is your Sanid. So Wipro is hiring interns who are pursuing B.Tech or degree. So how to apply? In this video I will explain clearly step by step and link will be provided in description. Open that link and sign in. So firstly you have to sign in for Wipro careers. If you are new user, register first, then log in. So after signing up, the page shows like this. So I already uploaded a resume, but I want to update the resume. So I'm updating the resume. So this is the process of updating the resume. See, maintain clearly and read the clear job description and make a resume according to it. Okay, don't use one resume for all applications, then it will be rejected all. Okay, this is a main very important point to notice. So where next, cover letter. If you want to get extra marks or get extra points, you have to include cover letter. So I don't want extra marks, so I'm leaving cover letter. So it will take uploading for 2 minutes of time. Next, profile picture already there. So this is the details which I have already mentioned. If you don't have, please fill it manually. And when you upload resume, it will detect automatically. If any wrongs, please identify and rectify that. Okay. So are you legally work to India? Yes. Work in country India. Will you now or future sponsorship? No, because we are Indians, we have to select no option because we don't require any additional sponsorship visas. If we require for other countries, while we are going to other countries, we require sponsorship. Okay, citizenship Indian. So don't type here. Please select the country on the list. Okay. So after that, next this. Are you currently employed with government? Okay, no. So next. So firstly, before applying, save the details which you are entered, then check and then apply. Okay. Once you apply, there is no changes, there are no amendments in the application. Okay. So update and stay tuned Technith. I will post job updates daily. Subscribe Technith for more job updates. If you're B.Tech student or graduate student, I will post government jobs too. Please stay tuned for Technith. Okay. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much.